Welcome to my channel. Step 1. Plug in the RangeXTD extender. Insert the RangeXTD extender into a power outlet near your router and turn it on. Wait until the LED light becomes stable. Step 2. Connect to extender network. On your phone or computer, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network, usually something like RangeXTD. Step 3. Open web browser. Launch any browser like Chrome or Edge after connecting to the extender network. Step 3. Open web browser. Launch any browser like Chrome or Edge after connecting to the extender network. Step 5. Log in to extender. Enter the default login credentials, usually admin/admin, or check the device label.
Step 6. Choose repeater mode. Once logged in, select repeater mode or range extender mode from the setup options. Step 7. Scan for Wi-Fi networks. Click on Scan or Search to find available Wi-Fi networks nearby. Step 8. Select your router network. Choose your home Wi-Fi network, your router's name, SSID, from the list. Step 9. Enter Wi-Fi password. Type your router's Wi-Fi password correctly and click Connect. Apply. Step 10. Reposition the extender. After setup, unplug the extender and place it halfway between your router and the weak signal area for best coverage.